This is the elevator at Kohl's in Taylor, Michigan. Montgomery Vector. Let's go to. There we go. Indicator is dead, so we'll watch the button go out. Here we are at 2. Go to 1. Okay, cap view. Nice cap. Very original. Here are 1. Phone. Back up to 2. Here we go. Here are 2. Go back down to 1. Door closes actually works. You can see a 3 in there, but the store is only 2 floors. Capacity is 2,000 pounds. Here are 1. Let's go one more time. Here we go. Here are 2. Go to 1. This is a really nice elevator. I've never seen a Vector at a Kohl's. It's pretty rare, but I'm glad to see this is still original. Here are 1.
Thank you.
Yep.